Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0001-1A indicates a decreased resistance in the driver's airbag first inflator. This error code is crucial as it directly relates to the vehicle's safety systems, specifically the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS. The SRS is designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision by deploying airbags. A problem with the driver's airbag can prevent the airbag from deploying correctly, putting passengers at risk. The issue arises when the voltage on the detection line inside the SRS unit drops below the specified threshold. It is essential to follow a systematic troubleshooting process to identify the root cause of this error code, as improper handling may lead to further complications. The components affected by the DTC B0001-1A include the driver's airbag, the cable reel, and the SRS unit. The driver's airbag is responsible for inflating during a collision to protect the driver. It is typically located in the steering wheel. The cable reel, also known as the spiral cable, is situated beneath the steering wheel and maintains electrical connections while allowing the steering wheel to turn. The SRS unit, often referred to as the airbag control module, processes the signals from various sensors to determine when to deploy the airbags. If any of these components fail or have reduced resistance, it may lead to the DTC being triggered, indicating a need for inspection and potential replacement. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC B0001-1A being stored in the SRS. A common issue is shorted wiring, where the wires connecting the airbag may have an electrical fault that affects the resistance levels. Additionally, a faulty component, such as the driver's airbag, cable reel, or SRS unit, might also be at fault. If the vehicle has been in a collision, it is crucial to ensure that all components have been replaced with new parts conforming to specification. Improper installation of these components can also lead to faults in the system, triggering this error code. All these factors must be carefully examined during troubleshooting. The symptoms associated with DTC B0001-1A can include the airbag warning light being illuminated on the vehicle's dashboard, indicating a problem within the SRS. In severe cases, the most critical symptom is the failure of the airbag to deploy in the event of a collision, which can jeopardize the safety of the occupants. Additionally, drivers may encounter an SRS malfunction message appearing on the display, warning of potential issues with the safety systems. It is vital to take these symptoms seriously and address any related diagnostic trouble codes immediately to ensure passenger safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0001-1A involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position and waiting for at least 10 seconds. This allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to initialize and check the status of the SRS components. The system will then perform self-checks and can reveal whether the DTC is still present. If the DTC appears again, it confirms that an issue is indeed present within the airbag system. This simple step is crucial, as it establishes the foundation for further diagnostic work by confirming that the system operates as expected initially. In the second troubleshooting step, the driver's airbag is inspected. Before any disconnection occurs, you must follow the 12-volt battery terminal disconnection procedure to ensure safety, as the airbag systems are sensitive to current changes. You will need to disconnect the driver's airbag first inflator connector to focus the inspection on the airbag itself. As there is no direct method to test the airbag, the purpose of this step is to rule out any faults in the airbag. If the system indicates that the DTC B0001-1A persists, this could suggest that the airbag itself may be faulty, thereby necessitating further examination or replacement. The third step of the troubleshooting process focuses on inspecting the cable reel. First, it is critical to ensure the driver's airbag first inflator connector is disconnected, as well as the cable reel connector. This step is essential to verify the integrity of the cable reel, which maintains electrical connectivity while allowing for steering wheel movement. The inspection is performed to check if there is any short circuit between the LA1 plus and LA1 minus terminals. Normal conditions should show that the resistance is greater than 1 megaohms, indicating no electrical faults present. Should any abnormal readings be observed, it may lead to problems with the cable reel that should be addressed accordingly. The fourth troubleshooting step involves conducting a thorough check for shorted wiring. Before starting this inspection, ensure the relevant connectors, specifically the SRS unit and cable reel connectors, are disconnected to prevent accidental activation of the airbag systems. Test the wiring from the SRS unit connector and inspect the LA1 plus and LA1 minus connections for any continuity issues. Normal conditions dictate that the resistance should exceed 1 megaohm, indicating no shorts. In case of abnormal findings, it may suggest a more extensive issue within the SRS wiring, requiring further investigation and potential repairs to safeguard the vehicle safety systems. The final step in the troubleshooting sequence involves a careful examination of the SRS unit. If previous checks for the driver's airbag, cable reel, and shorted wiring yield normal results, it indicates that the SRS unit may be the root cause of the problem. To perform this inspection accurately, ensure all necessary safety precautions, including disconnection of the battery, have been taken. If the SRS unit is determined to be faulty, it is crucial to replace it with a genuine manufacturer part for compatibility and safety. This component plays a critical role in controlling the airbag deployment sequence during a collision, making its integrity vital for occupant safety. After completing all troubleshooting steps and making necessary repairs, it's important to verify that the airbag system operates normally. This involves reconnecting the battery and performing a self-diagnosis using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure no DTCs appear. Testing should include ensuring that the airbag deploys correctly by conducting functionality tests while following manufacturer guidelines. Additionally, inspecting for any lingering symptoms is critical to provide assurance that the previously noted problems have been resolved. This confirmation step is paramount to ensure the safety of the driver and passengers in the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is essential for the continued safety and reliability of the airbag system. Regular inspections of the SRS, cables, and connectors should be performed, especially after any collision or repair work. Additionally, it is prudent to check the integrity of the wiring and connectors during routine maintenance services. Ensuring all components are functioning properly can prevent future issues and contribute significantly to passenger safety. Furthermore, familiarizing oneself with SRS-related precautions and repairs can save time and resources when handling similar cases, contributing to the overall health of the vehicle. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC B0001-1A comprises multiple steps aimed at ensuring the integrity of the airbag system. Each component plays a crucial role in protecting vehicle occupants, so understanding the functions and interconnections is essential. Ensuring proper component functionality, as well as identifying potential shorted wires or faulty components, will lead to successful resolution of the error code. The importance of conducting a thorough verification post-repair cannot be overstated, as it confirms safety and functionality. By following a systematic approach and maintaining preventive practices, we can ensure a safe driving experience in the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.